How to create a FAQ page on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can create a FAQ page on your Shopify store. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, of course, we are going to need to create an account. So we're just simply going to click on start free over here, and we're going to create an account. And the sign up process is fairly simple. You just enter in your email address and answer these questions. So I'm just simply going to skip this for now. And then you just select the country and region, and you are good to go. Then after that, you just simply sign up with your email or sign up with Google, whatever. And then you are good to go. After that, you can go ahead and start using Shopify. So as you can see, it's loading up right now. And I just go ahead and finish this up. And here we go. Our store is building right here. So we just let it do its thing and we should be done. And once you do that, you are good to go. After that, you'll arrive over here onto your dashboard and we can go ahead and start creating our FAQ section. So you can go ahead and add your products over here. You can go ahead and customize your website. But yeah, so over here, for those of you who don't know what a FAQ section is, let me just go ahead and show you. Sometimes it's already added onto your website store. So let's assume that this is my page, nothing going on over here. We simply have our hero section, our products, and there's no FAQ section right here or at the bottom. So what we'll do is we'll create a FAQ section over here at the bottom, or we can create a specific page for it if you have a lot of questions. So to do that, come back over here onto your dashboard, and underneath sales channels, just simply click on the online store. It'll open up the drop down menu. Here you will have your themes, blog posts, pages, and navigations, right? So here underneath pages, you can go ahead and add a specific page like an FAQ page. So right here. So you can add them over here, or what you can do is go to your theme section and click on customize. It will open up the editor right here. And once it's done that, over here you can see you have a bunch of different options, right? This is the editor. What you want to do is you want to click on the home page, and here you will have a bunch of different options. Click on pages, and then over here click on create a template. All right, and over here you can go ahead and name this template whatever you want. So if you were wanting to create a contact page, you can create a contact page over here. For this instance, since we're creating an FAQ, so we'll just call it an FAQ page over here and click on create template. So now that we've done that over here, this is how it looks like, right? So what we want to do is we want to get rid of everything. All right, we will go ahead and see the page right here. What we want to do is we want to go ahead and hide this so that we have a blank page. And what we'll do is we'll click on add section, and here we have a bunch of different options. What we want to do is we want to add the image banner, right? So we'll just add image banner right here. It'll pop up soon. And now what we want to do is we want to remove most of these stuff. So we'll just go ahead and remove this. And also we want to remove the buttons as well, so that we're just left with this one. And also we want to remove the background options over here. So for that, I think we need to go ahead and hit the text section. So we'll just select the image right here, and this will open up the options over here, as you can see on the right hand side. So we have image banner right here. What we want to do is we want to change the background, and we want to get rid of this little container. So we will have the option over here. So here you can find the show container on mobile and show container on desktop as well. So we'll just go ahead and do that so that we don't have that over here, and we also don't want to see it on the desktop, so we'll get rid of that as well. So here we go. This looks much better. Now what we want to do is we'll go ahead and increase this height to small as well. So there you go. That looks much better. And instead of the image banner, we'll just say it is FAQ, or frequently asked questions, whatever you want. I think this looks good. FAQ looks good, and we'll make it bold as well. We'll select the text and make it bold like so, and maybe increase the size of it as well. So go with extra large, that looks good. And also we'll change the background image. So what we can do is we'll just simply go ahead and click on select image, and we can upload our own image, or what we can do is we can go ahead and select a free image. So in the staff favorite, we should find something along the lines of an image that would fit best our genre. So maybe not these images, maybe something else. So something like this looks pretty cool. I'll go with that one. And what we can do now is we'll click on select to select the image. There we go. Now we want to change the color of the text as well. So we'll just select the text, and also maybe we'll find it right here. So here we have the scheme. So we'll change the scheme to scheme number 4, which is going to be black and white. So now we have a white text, so which we can see clearly. Next, what we want to do is we want to add another section. So here, what we'll do is we'll add a block or maybe add a new section. And here, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and add a collapsible content. So here, we'll go ahead and add that right here. There we go. And here, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and change the name of the collapsible content to something else. So here we go. Here is the collapsible content. So we'll just change it to answers to your questions. So something like that. I think that looks pretty cool, or whatever you want to write. It depends on you. Once that's done, next we go ahead and remove all of these containers, right? So I'll just remove all of them one by one so that we have only one of these left. So we can go ahead and edit it however we want to. So then we can duplicate it, right? So we'll click on the container, and here we go. So here we have the options. We want to remove the icon, which is the checkbox, and there we go. So after that, you are good to go. If you want to add your own options or your own icons, you are free to do so. But for me, I'll go ahead and remove it. If you want to add your own raw content over here, you can go ahead and do that as well. So once that's done, next what you want to do is just simply hit these 3 dots and click on duplicate, and just duplicate it to how many frequently asked questions you want, right? So let's say we want to have 4 FAQs, so we'll just have 4 of them. Next, what we can do is we can go ahead and add the questions. To do that, we just simply select the row we want, and then over here we change the heading. So here we can see how long does shipping take. So we'll just add that, how long does shipping take, question mark, and then in the row content we can go ahead and add our answer. Shipping usually takes 3 to 4 business days, and depending on, so something like that, and we'll just answer the question, and after that we are good to go. So now if we click on it, we can see the answer right there. So we can do this exact same thing for all the other options as well. So something like this, as you can see, looks pretty good. Now we have our questions and we can add our answer. So there you go. Next, what you can do is, let's say, if they have a specific section, or let's say, maybe they didn't get a answer to their question. So what you can do next is maybe add another question. And over here, what you can do is you can add a rich text option right here. And over here, you can go ahead and change it to, let's say, and over here, we'll change it to couldn't find your answer or something like that. So we'll just type it over here. So something like that. And in the button over here, we'll change the button label to contact us, and over here we'll just paste the link to our contact page. But of course, if you don't have that, you can go ahead and select that. So over here we have it. So underneath pages we have the contact page, and there we go. So now it's linked, and now we'll just simply click on save, and there you go. So there you have it. That is how you do it. That is how you create an FAQ page. So very simple. This is how you do it. This is how you create an FAQ page on Shopify. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.